थर्ड दॅट एनिवर्सरी आनी म्हाका दिसता आज गोंयभर मनोहरबाईचे याद काडून खुबशे मनोहरबाईचे बरे मागपी तशेंच विचारवंत तशेंच एका टायपार तेन्ना न पटपी टुडे डेफिनेटली मिस हिम. आय ऑल्सो मिस हिम अ लॉट. दॅट वॉइड कॅनॉट बी फिल्ड अप. आनी म्हाका दिसता म्हज्या राजकारणाच्या कारकिर्दीन एज ऑपोजिशन वर्किंग ऑन द ऑपोजिशन बेंचीस ताजे बरोबर तेन्नाय संपर्कांत रावन खुबशें शिकपाक मेळ्ळें. ताची सदांच एक म्हण आशिल्ली की आमदाराचें काम आसा तें एसेंब्लीन आसता. विशय घेवप, विशय मांडप आनी गोंयच्या नाल्यार कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचें सोल्युशन काडप हे मेन रोल म्हणून आमदाराचो. मंत्री आसतना आय हॅड द ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू वर्क विथ हिम व्हेरी क्लोजली. IT जावं बाकीचे डिपार्टमेंट जावं खुबशें सहकार्य ताजे कडेन मेळ्ळें, ताजे गायडन्स मेळ्ळें, ताजे विचार कळ्ळे. आनी ऑल्दो वी कीप टॉकिंग अबाउट हीज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटीव एंड लिडरशीप स्किल्स, I could see it very closely. The acumen he had as far as administration is concerned, नाल्यार लिडरशीप ताची क्वॉलिटी, डेव्हलपमेंट गोंया खातीर विचार, देशा खातीर विचार. I think there are a lot of things in the journey that he has as far as politics is concerned. Set a high benchmark for people like us who are into politics to meet up to that standards and deliver what Goa needs and what our constituency needs. I just decided we pay tribute. It's also something that we keep the nostalgic moment that we have spent time together and ensure that ताणे जे विचार मांडिल्ले, when we say Manohar Parrikar's legacy, I think there are a lot of thoughts that I've carried ahead in my journey as a politician, as a minister, or in the ruling in the opposition benches. आज BJPन जेन्ना भितर सरला तेन्ना मनोहरबाई ना, पण definitely there are a lot of things to be done and I will try my best to meet up with the expectations. What Manohar has left as a benchmark cannot be done, but we'll definitely try to fill up the expectations of our people as time comes.